భీమవరం బుల్లోడు భీమవరం బుల్లోడు.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈ దుబాయ్లో పనిచేసే ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని కూడా నేను చాలామంది అడుగుతున్నాను. ఎటు అయినా సరే కొంచెం వెనకాడుతున్నారు. మా నాన్న మట్టికి వచ్చి ఒప్పుకున్నాడు. అన్న ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ తోటి వచ్చాడు ఏంటి అనేది అన్నని అడుగుతాం. అన్న ఏంటంటే తమిళనాడు, తెలుగు కాదు. అన్న హిందీలో చెప్తాడు సమాధానం, లేకపోతే ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తాడు. మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే నేను దాన్ని తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, సరేనా? అన్న आपका नाम क्या?
मोहम्मद इमरान.
मोहम्मद इमरान.
Yes.
आपका कुछ काम के लिए इधर आया ना?
Yes. I got job from Tharanax. That's why I come here for the work. Before I working in India.
इंडिया.
Chennai, yeah.
आपका कितना पड़ा?
I was working in Malaysia 5 years. Then before I working in India.
సరిపోయారు ఇద్దరును, సాగుతుంది మీకు అలాగా.
In India.
India.
Then before I got the one job from here. That's completely not good. That's why I come back to my country.
Okay.
Then I got the good job, good company.
Now.
Background, yeah. That's why I come here.
Okay. मुल्क में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आपका?
मुल्क में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सैलरी कमती है. Now right now the tax also 20% up. So I cannot afford everything. So that's why I come here.
Okay. आपका इधर सैलरी कितना मिलता है आपका?
3,500.
इधर 3,500. इंडिया कितना बेचते हैं महीना का?
इंडिया में बेचता है sometime 1,200, 1,500, 45,000, 40,000.
45,000, 40 राउंड फिगर राउंड 40. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, मुश्किल नहीं है. आपका इधर आके कितना साल हो गया?
Almost 8 years. I'm working in 8 years. I was working in Abu Dhabi 8 years.
Okay. Before Malaysia?
Before Malaysia, I working in Bukit Purwang. Like I have relatives shop. I take care of the shop. I will doing the cashier job.
Before?
Yeah, but same like this salary, very less salary.
Salary low.
That's why my father is not well. That's why I come back again country.
India?
Then my family pushing here. Then I got job in RMX.
Now RMX.
Yeah, now in RMX.
अभी इधर अपने इस सेक्शन में आके कितना साल हो गया?
वो सेक्शन में किधर है? अबू धाबी
में इधर अभी नया ये काम के लिए आया ना?
वो काम के लिए 2 महीना हो गया.
2 महीना.
अभी रिजाइन किया ना कंपनी में. अभी वो कंपनी में तो अच्छा सैलरी.
आपका मुल्क में सब ठीक है? अभी इधर आने वाला सबको पीछे एक स्टोरी होते ना, आपको बिफोर फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स मे बी.
फैमिली प्रॉब्लम not much problem, but
आपके कितना पढ़ा स्कूल कॉलेज?
BE civil engineering. I got engineering. Yeah.
Okay, but India no job.
India have job, but less salary, too much politics from that field. So I don't like this field working here.
Okay.
Too much politics they're doing that. Less salary, too much time I had to spend in India.
Okay.
Here I just only 8 hour, 9 hour working peacefully.
Time to time every
time
day.
to time.
Weekly how many days holidays?
Just only 1 day holiday they provide. Sometime if you have more shipment come in the warehouse, they will provide the overtime.
Overtime.
If I working in government holiday, they pay the double salary.
Double salary. Double work, double salary.
Not double work. If I working in government holidays like the national day,
Okay.
like the Eid festival,
Okay.
kind of days, they pay the double salary. Like if I salary my 100 dirham, they will pay 200 dirham. Like this.
Nice company.
And also they provide the yearly 6 month one time. They provide me the what is it? Like bonus.
Bonus.
Yeah, monthly who are working good, they provide award also.
1 year one time bonus.
Yeah, I get.
Okay. अभी
Company provide me the flight tickets free.
Okay.
And also the 1 month salary for vacation one time.
Vacation holiday salary.
Good company.
Company is good. अभी अच्छा है पूरा.
सब ठीक है
अभी और कितना साल करेगा इधर?
Almost 8 years finish here.
Finish और
maybe I will try to work more. I have to develop my careers, planning.
आपको शादी हो गया? Marriage finish?
नहीं है maybe after 6 months I will be married.
Okay, after India. ये वीडियो अभी आप लोग बात करने का वीडियो YouTube में डालेगा, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना?
सब मुश्किल नहीं है, हमारा फ्रेंड है मुस्लिम है।
अभी कोई हमारा ऑडियंस का आपको कुछ बोलने का है या अभी गल्फ का लाइफ के लिए?
गल्फ का लाइफ के लिए, but you know some people you know apply from the agent, they will cheat it. They should actually before come to the UAE, see the offer letter, how much they offer you, how the company give the insurance or not, company good background, everything just check before come here. After then agent, everything is okay, offer letter, company insurance, everything is okay, then come here.
Okay.
Otherwise, come to visit, apply from here the new job. If you have the experience in India, if you come here, then try to apply from yourself. Don't do from mostly I hear about the news, bad news from the UAE. You know, people doing for the cheating, get the money, they put in the packet. They cheated. I hear about many laborers.
Okay.
So if you come here directly, apply from yourself. Labor easily you can get the job. Like you know any kind of labors. If you are the professional, try from yourself. Like come here, then apply yourself. Don't go to the consultancy agency. If you are the agency that is doing genuine consultancy, everything doing properly, then go ahead further.
No problem.
Otherwise, don't apply from.
Okay.
I come here to visit. I apply from the job from the Amex. I will get from the company. Then I got the job.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ బ్రదర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అది మన అన్న చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఉండి అన్నీ ఓకే పర్వాలేదు అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడికి వస్తే మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ దొరుకుతుంది, ఛాన్స్ దొరుకుతాయి, మంచి జాబ్ దొరికే అవకాశాలు ఉంటాయి. అదే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లేకుండా లేబర్ వర్క్ కింద వచ్చేవారికి ఏజెంట్స్ చాలా మట్టుకు కూడా మోసం చేసి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మంచి కంపెనీ అని చెప్పి మోసం చేసి ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చిన తర్వాత చాలా వేరే వేరే పనులు చెప్పడం, బయట హార్డ్ వర్క్ మట్టి గట్ట ఎత్తడం